Alright, so we have the sheet here. You have your whiteboard marker. Can you please pick out one domino for me? Just pick out one. Awesome. So this one here will be your first one. Now can you draw the dots in there for me? Awesome. So what's this number plus this number? What would be the answer?
7.
7. So if you want to add that in there. Perfect. So do you want to draw another one out for me? Okay, this one here. So we have 3 and 4. Do you want to draw the dots for me? Perfect. So we have 3. How many do we have to add on to get to our total?
4.
Awesome. So what's 3 plus 4?
7.
Perfect. So do you want to draw one out there?
It's such a bad 7.
Can you pick up another one for me, please? Oh, this one. This one's a big one. So, can you draw the dots on there for me as well? 6. 5. Alright. So, we have 6 and 5. What do you think the total will be? 11. You can write 11 there if you like. And to check against it, because it's a really big number, we can go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Awesome. Now do you want to pick up another one for me? Oh, so you got 4 and 4. Do you want to draw that for me? And what do you think the total will be?
8.
Good job. Right, pick one more. Well, 2 more. Perfect. So if you want to do... Awesome, we got 6. So you have 6? What's this number?
4.
4. Awesome. So what do you think 6 plus 4 will equal to?
10. 10?
Yeah, good job. So right on there. Now, if I turn this around and we have 4 and 6, what do you think 4 and 6 will equal to?
10.
Yeah, so it's pretty much the exact same equation, but just switch it around. If it's at 4 and 6, it's easy to add on from 6 than 4, if that makes sense. So if they said 4 plus 6, it's best to start with the 6, so then you can add on less and save more time. Get another one. Last one. Awesome. So what's that one? What's the first
5.
number? Yep, draw that on. Perfect. And the next number? What's this number? There's
3.
3. Awesome. So we have 5 and 3. What do you think the total will be?
8.
Cool. And how do you know the total is 8?
5 plus 3 is 8.
Yeah, so 5 plus 3 equals 8. Good job. Can you wipe that for me, please? Alright, so now we're going to do a different activity here. Can you pick out one domino for me? 6. So, we're going to put that one there. Can you draw the 6 dots for me? Cool, so we have 6 dots. The total is 8. Okay, so the total is 8. How do you find the missing part?
2.
So how do you know that?
It's because it's 2.
It's
No,
2.
6 plus 2 is 8.
So, you said it's 6 plus 2 is 8. So 1, an extra 1 is 7, and then an extra 1 is 8. Awesome? So 6 plus 2 is 8. Can you pick another one for me, please? Cool, we've got a total of 4 there. Can you draw 4 dots for me? Perfect. So, the total that I have is 7. How do we find out the missing part? So we have 7 and 4.
Plus 1.
Yep, so we have 4.
2, which is 5, 6,
Yeah.
7.
Awesome. Good job. Can you pick out another one for me? Okay, so we got 5. So can you draw the 5 dots for me? Perfect, so we got 5 dots. My total will be 10. So, if I have 10, how many more will I need to get to 10? So we got 5 here.
1.
So 1, that means it's 6. What's this
7.
one? Yeah.
8.
Perfect.
9.
And last one.
10.
10. So what do we have? So we got, what's this one?
5.
And then plus
5
equals
10.
perfect. So pick out another one for me. Alright, this one's 3. So can you draw the dots?
1, 2, 3.
Also, now I'm going to do an easy one for you. This one's 5. So how many more do we have to add on to 3 to get to 5?
1.
1, yeah.
5.
Perfect. Can you pick out another one for me? There's 2 in there. Oh, so we got 1. So draw 1 dot. Perfect. So 1 dot. And then now, if the answer here is 6, how many do we have to add on to 1?
5. 1.
How
2,
do you know
3,
that?
4, 5. 5 plus 1, 6.
Awesome. What you can also do is, to make it quicker, you can go 6 take away 1 equals 5. Because that's faster than adding 5 to 1. Do you want to pull out another one for me? Last one. Alright, so we got 2. Draw 2.
So, 1.
Awesome, and now my total here is going to be 7. How many do you think you need to add on?
5.
Awesome. You draw 5 dots in there? Perfect. So pretty much it's 1, 2, so that's 2 plus 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that equals to 7. Good job, whiteboard. For enabling students, so if they struggle doing this activity, we can get students to count on the pieces. So you can go like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then that will help them find the total there. You can also use a hundreds board, so they can start with 5 and put a counter there, and then move it to 3 places to help them find number 8 as well if they want a number representation. For an extending prompt, if your kid is smart for this activity and they need a harder way to learn, we can do subtraction. So we can do 5 take away 3, and the kids can do that themselves. You can also, with the missing part and the whole, you can give them a higher total so then they can figure out what's the highest number. And the other thing is you can do is, I want you to find as many ways you can make 10. So then they can say, okay, well 10 you need 5, 5, 2 and 7, etc, etc. And they can show me 6 ways to make number 10 from the part whole method.